Last month, I scored a whopping $18,000 with affiliate marketing. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. Now, I'm super excited to spill the beans on this brand new strategy I used. The best part? You don't need to have loads of cash or any experience to get started. Seriously, anyone can do it. I promise that if you stick around and watch this entire video, then actually put my strategy into action consistently, you're practically guaranteed to see awesome results. I mean, come on, it's never been easier than right now to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. So let me stop jibber jabbering and let's get right into it. All right, let me break down the process for you. So today we're going to be doing something called affiliate marketing, which is when you promote products or services from a brand using a unique link they give you. Whenever someone clicks on your link and signs up, you earn a sweet commission. Now let's dive into my revamped affiliate marketing strategy that helped me rake in over 18 grand last month. First things first, you got to pick a side hustle or business that catches people's attention. Think dropshipping, YouTube automation, Amazon FBA, print on demand, stock and crypto trading, and well, the list goes on. Choose something you're interested in or already familiar with. Let's say you go with print on demand, all right? Step 2, educate yourself about print on demand. You can easily do this by watching free YouTube tutorials. Get those knowledge vibes flowing. Now onto the good stuff. Step 3 involves finding high-ticket affiliate links related to print on demand. These pay you handsomely, anywhere from $30 to $300 per sign-up. Much better than those measly low-ticket affiliate links that only give you a $5 or a $10, am I right? Step 4, create theme pages on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. These pages will be your go-to for promoting those affiliate links. Trust me, you don't even have to show your face in the videos if you're not comfortable with that. We've got options. Now, the biggest hurdle people face is getting views on their videos, but don't worry, I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that can help you score tons of views. So that's a quick summary of how the strategy works. But I don't want to leave you hanging. In fact, I'm itching to give you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to kickstart this awesome journey today. So make sure to stick around. All right, so step number 1 is a quick one. You got to pick a trendy and popular business or side hustle to focus on. For the sake of this video, let's roll with print on demand because it's got quite the following. The next step is to find those awesome affiliate programs that relate to your chosen topic. Now, there are a few websites I personally love to use when hunting for affiliate links. You've got impact.com, PartnerStack, Amazon Associates, and ClickBank. They're all pretty handy, so feel free to explore them all. But for now, let's give ClickBank a go. First things first, create an account with ClickBank. Once you're all set up, click on the affiliate marketplace option. This is where you'll have a bunch of different categories to explore. So let's dive into the e-business section. So let's say you find a fantastic affiliate product that catches your eye. The next step is to click on the promote button. This will prompt you to add a nickname and create a hop link. Once you've done that, bam, you've got yourself a custom affiliate link that has the potential to line your pockets. Plus, ClickBank's dashboard page lets you track all your commissions easily. Now let's explore another tool called PartnerStack. First things first, create your account. Once it gets the green light, click on Marketplace at the top. Feel free to browse through the categories or just dive into the ones that you find interesting. All right, now it's time to uncover impact. I have to warn you though, impact can be a bit picky when it comes to account approval. So you might need to establish yourself on social media first before giving it a go. Once you're all set, create your account. They'll throw a few sign-up questions your way before your account is good to go. But once you're in, you'll be directed to a page where you can click on brands and then find brands. Explore different categories and find those affiliate programs that fit you. So since we've chosen print on demand as our topic, you'll want affiliate links for platforms like Printify, Canva, and Shopify because they're the main tools you need for print on demand awesomeness. Good news, Impact offers a Shopify affiliate program that you can apply to. As for the Printify affiliate link, simply apply for it on the Printify website. And for the Canva affiliate program, you can do the same by applying on their website. Okay, so let's say you've got all your affiliate links ready to go. Now it's time to head over to this awesome website called Beacons, which lets you create a fantastic thing called a link tree. This link tree allows you to add all your affiliate links onto a single page, making it super convenient for your audience. It's like a one-stop shop for anyone interested in starting a print-on-demand business. Oh, and the best part? You can place this link in your social media bios for super easy access. All right, let's dive into the next step, which is all about growing your social media pages and promoting those affiliate links like a pro. There are countless ways to do this, but I'll spill the beans on the method that has worked wonders for me, helping me rack up that sweet 18 grand last month. First things first, you've got to create accounts on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok. Keep it consistent and make sure your username is the same across all platforms. It should be something that relates to what you're promoting. Next up, let's get those profiles looking sharp. I highly recommend using Canva to create a killer profile picture. Canva has a ton of free templates that you can customize and it's super user-friendly. Now you need to start creating content to promote your affiliate links. This content should be directly related to the side hustle you picked. So in my case, I'll be whipping up content around print on demand. The good news is that creating creative content is actually pretty simple. It's all about showcasing what makes your chosen side hustle awesome, and I'll tell you all about it in the next step. So let me show you how you can make awesome content. We're going to start with Canva, and once you've set up your Canva account, click up top and search for TikTok. When it comes to the content you create, it's all about finding the right balance between tutorials and motivation. You want to get people excited and inspired to start their own side hustle. Here's an example of a video idea that could go viral. Start with a POV, point of view, hook, like POV, you start print on demand. Videos like these have the potential to generate a lot of buzz and motivate others to jump into the print on demand world. Another effective video idea is a tutorial that teaches people how to start the side hustle. For instance, how to start print on demand in 24 hours. The key is to recreate viral TikTok videos and tailor them to your specific side hustle. To find videos worth recreating, start by searching for your side hustle on TikTok. Scroll through the results and you're bound to find a few that have already gone viral. So just find a viral video and recreate it using different Canva elements. After downloading the video, I'll upload it to TikTok. I can then add the text within TikTok along with similar hashtags to what my competitors have used. And that's it. Moving on to Pinterest, it's a platform that's relatively easy to grow on, although it does require time and consistency. My personal strategy is to repost any TikTok videos I create onto my Pinterest account. So let me walk you through the process. First, copy the link of the TikTok video you want to repost. Then go to the website snaptik.app. Paste the TikTok link in the provided space and download the video. The great thing is that it downloads the video without a watermark, making it ready for posting on Pinterest. Now you can upload this video to your Pinterest account in the idea pin section. Another neat feature of Pinterest is that you can repost other people's TikTok videos on your account. Just remember to use Snaptik to remove the watermark before uploading the video, and always credit the original owner of the video when you post it on Pinterest. Consistency is key on Pinterest as well. Aim to post at least one video daily and you'll gradually see your Pinterest account grow. Alright, let's dive into how you can leverage YouTube Shorts to promote your affiliate links. All you gotta do is repost your TikTok videos on this platform. When you share your TikTok videos on YouTube Shorts, don't forget to add your affiliate links in the video caption. That way people can easily find and click on your links. Oh, and here's a cool thing. Just like on Pinterest, you can also repost other people's TikTok videos on your YouTube Shorts account. But hey, always give credit to the original video creator in your caption. Now let's talk about Instagram. Here's the deal. The process for Instagram is pretty similar to what we discussed earlier. Whatever awesome videos you create on TikTok, Pinterest, or YouTube, you can simply repost them on your Instagram account. Plus, you can even repost other people's videos on your account. Just make sure to give them a shout out and credit where it's due. Now, here's a pro tip. When you post videos on Instagram, make sure to use Instagram Reels. Trust me, they tend to perform really well and grab people's attention. I've tried the strategy on my own Instagram account and let me tell you, it has worked like a charm. So go ahead and get creative with your content to drive traffic and boost your affiliate earnings. You've got this. Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you next time.